Hello! Hello buddies, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, I'm Kahini and I make videos on daily lifestyle, organization, study tips and tech advice. So if you really want to join my journey, please subscribe my channel. And without any further ado, let's begin with today's video. So as you have seen the title, today I'm back with another Notion setup. So let's open the app. Yay! This is my Notion setup. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing about whole of my setup, how I did it, why I did it, and why I found it very effective. But before we begin, I would like to tell you that I'm also going to link this template down in the description so you can use it for yourself. Yay! I hope you will enjoy today's video. So now let's begin. So I'll just full screen it. This is my setup. I have just written and titled it as my body, as you can see here. And I have put up this little cute, background sort of thing, the cover page, and this little cute icon which I got from Google. Then this little quote here. You have actually seen my setup before, but I will tell you in detail how I use it for my daily life. So essential means all the items or basically all the to-dos which I need to complete today, like basically all the work related things which I need to do it today itself. So yeah, and maybe next time means all the work related things which I will do tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, like which are not really important. So yeah. And also many of you don't know this feature. So once I just write down here, for example, okay, I wrote clean and organize. Now next thing, when I press the enter key, it will show me the to do option. But if I write the same thing over here, okay, so I wrote the same thing over here. Now when I click on enter, it is not showing me any to do below because this is the last to do option which I've created. So for convenience, I have added this icon for which if I click it, it will keep on adding as many to-do lists as much as my list goes on. So it's really helpful. And now let me show you how you can do this for yourself, and how you can just add this option. So I'll delete this now and just click on this plus icon, go down, go till the end wherein you will have the column for advanced blocks, and in the third option there is a template button. Click on that thing and this layout will come up over here. So which kind of template do you actually want? You can turn it into a bulleted list, so it will show you a bulleted list, and you can also change the name of this item. For example, let me keep it as news, and then I'll close it. So when I just click on it, it will show me the list. So you can just do it like this, or even if you want to change, you can just go to the settings and you can make it into something else. Now when I click, it will show me the to do option. So this is really easy peasy, and it saves your time as well. So for maybe next time, I have not added this option because I don't have many lists in this one. Then comes my daily things, wherein I have my morning routine page, and these are all things which I need to do during my mornings. I have listed them, and you can also make it in a checkbox. So once you have done all those things, you can click on the tick mark, and you can also move all these blocks. For example, I'll keep the prayer over here. So yeah, it's really convenient. And my total estimated time for doing all these things is 1 to 2 hours. Then I have my night routine. It's pretty simple, but I just love this icon a lot. And then the bujo. So this is a bullet journal template which I made on my own. I'm so proud to share this because I have never made any kind of Notion template which is as sweet as this one. Although this My Buddy Notion homepage is created by me only, but still I don't find it that much pretty. So this bujo is really pretty according to me, and I always wanted a bullet journal online, and Notion is helping me a lot for that. And I'm really obsessed with this app since the day I started using it. I actually have a bullet journal offline as well, so I have a notebook like this one for my 2021 setup, and also I have bought one new notebook for my 2022 setup. But I think making it online makes it more convenient for me because I carry my bullet journal everywhere I go. And if I forget that bullet journal somewhere, at least I'm in the track of what I'm doing online. So I'll take you to a tour into this home page. So this icon I got from the Discord emojis. See, don't really mind, but I didn't find any cute icon which is more cuter than this one. So I just put this up, and this cover for in which it is written journal I got from Unsplash. I just simply named it as Bujo, and here I have put up a code in a callout. Being able to journal is your fortune, darling. So this is a code made by me, and I love it very much. It applies to me a lot because bullet journaling is my favorite hobby. I guess I just can't express it into feelings, and I can't stay without journaling even for one day. And many people are not able to do journaling, maybe because of the price of the bujo. It's not that affordable, or maybe they don't have the essential to make it artistic. But I have all that facility, so I'm really grateful for that. And I count it as my fortune. Yeah. Okay, by the way, moving forward, I have 6 dividers and 6 pages for different topics. First is the cover page. So in cover pages, I have a cover page for November and for December. So it's like a bujo only. So as you make a cover page for your bujo, the same way I have made it for my November setup over here. So this cute, pretty little icon here, and my daily log, weekly log, and monthly log, plus my habit tracker and monthly review journal. Same goes for December and many other months. I don't like to change this format, although at the end of the month I will add a picture here to make it look artistic, and I've added a tag here, how was your month. So HWT means how was your month, and here I can just write awesome, better, healing, calm, fun, progressive, or inspiring. So I have this different tags for that. Then I have my future log, that is nothing but a calendar view of whatever is gonna come up in that particular month. Then dump. So this is my brain dump where I have my entries. It's personal to me, so I guess I will not show it. Then the goals list. I have put up many goals, but I just deleted them for my privacy. And the reflections. So reflecting to the month at the end of the month. And the glance. So this glance template is not made by me. It is made by one of my favorite YouTubers. I just don't remember her name right now, but I have also shared this template in my 50 plus Notion template video. So yeah, these are the two overviews which help me a lot to just take a glance at my weeks and months, although I don't use it that much. But yeah, so these are the 6 different templates over here and the 6 different pictures which I found cutely on Google. So I just put them up. And as you can see, the theme for this whole page is pink. I am a huge admirer of the pink color, so I've just put up everything into pink. And to be honest, this is my favorite home page ever, this bujo one, so I have added it into the favorites. Then I have this little cute rabbit picture here. I just really love it because it's really cute, you know, the rabbit taking out the juice of that carrot into the cupcake and making it sweeter more. Then the brain dump again. This is not the bullet journal brain dump. It is different. This brain dump includes, you know, anything, the list of anything that I need to accomplish no matter what. So it's different. Then the ACAD section, I have my study dash, wherein I have just literally put up this little code. You can do it no matter what because it applies to my inspiration a lot. And then the get shit done things, weekly plan, and any upcoming competitions. This weekly plan, I really find it cute and customizable because I'm able to help myself a lot with these plans up here and the dates, the to-do list, and the deadlines. And here I have also linked my Spotify playlist for listening to songs without lyrics when I want to study, and the Pomodoro timer. And this month's submissionary. This means that if I have to submit any homework this month, what is the homework and have I completed it? Should I have to submit it, or I'm doing it, or it's like sort of let it go, I don't have to submit, so I will do it later, or I have to revise it. Then for YouTube, I have my mini YT to do. TD means to do. This template you already know. So yeah, that's it for my homepage, and this little song I have just put up without lyrics, which chills me when I'm looking into my Notion and updating everything, and this pic as well, which I found from Google. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. This is all for today's video, and I'll link this template in the description so you can copy as always. Bye, take care.